So it's hello from him.
And it's hello from him.
So Jason, last year we did Propertymark 1.
We did.
The biggest industry conference, Wembley Arena. First time of anything of a similar nature, bringing all of the disciplines together out there, really.
It was huge.
It was huge. And this year we're going back again, bigger and better.
Not to Wembley, though.
But not to Wembley. So what's changed, Jace? Do you want to tell everybody?
Well, we've gone back to a fantastic venue, which is XL. We're actually going to make it bigger, better, bolder, and with a big bang. After party to suit as well. Amazing speakers. We've already got 2 fantastic lined up already. We have the lovely, lovely Jenni Falconer, who's going to host it yet again. We remember her from last year. Brilliant. We've got a brilliant economist coming on as well that's going to talk to us all about the market, what's going to happen, and whether even the general election will be hit by us as well. So it's going to be great. That is Daisy McAndrew. You may have seen her on TV, so quite a good lineup already.
It's certainly good, but we've got more to announce, haven't we, Jason?
Lots more, some really, really big names. So get booked quick because don't miss out.
So the one thing that people approach me over, Jason, and obviously I've relayed that back onto you, which is great, is obviously people like to see suppliers there. They want to learn what the latest products are. And I think Propertymark 1, we were inundated and we were oversubscribed. And the one thing we wanted to make sure this year is that we had adequate space for and time for people to meet and talk to those suppliers. So what have we done differently this year?
Well, again, we've gone bigger, we've gone bolder, and we're going better as well. We're really, really pleased that Rightmove, again, have decided to be the headline sponsor for us as well. So they're going to have a fantastic stand right in the middle of the stage. We're lucky that we've got lots and lots of our wonderful industry suppliers that are also going to come to that. And also everybody that's anybody within the industry will be their suppliers. I know a bit about suppliers as well, so I know what they want. We're trying to build it for them, but more importantly, it's for all those delegates. So every supplier will be bringing along the best tech, the best information, and also the best goodies, because people want the goodies.
We like a goodie.
So get yourself there.